still don't feel good about it. Fortunately, the data he gave me comes in handy. There! Instead of a GPS, I've made myself a VPS. Venom Positioning System.
Let's get started.
After you.
Venom symbiote detected. Turn right on Broadway.
Yes! Once again, science gets the upper hand. And with the sonic blaster attached to my glove, that hand is gonna feel like a fist.
Swing left at 47th Street.
Okay, Venom. Let's see how you feel when someone sneaks up on you undetected.
Arriving at your destination.
Oh, come on! Ruin my spot! Everybody, get to safety! And while you're at it, cover your ears! He's neutralizing the sonic blasts with the lead in those manhole covers! My sonic blaster!
Venom approaching.
Tell me something I don't know! Phone! Call Max's fax machine!
Dialing.
Thank goodness for dated technology. Where'd he go? Gone. And it looks like the VPS was damaged in the fight. Based on that move with the manhole covers, I wasn't wrong about Venom being someone smart. But with Tony Stark off the suspect list, who's another person that fits the bill? Everyone at Horizon High has had access to the V-252. Gwen, Anya, Miles has powers similar to mine. He doesn't quite match Venom's size. Maybe Max can give me a list of all the people who worked on... Wait a minute. What about Max? He's had the most exposure to it. He's certainly smart enough. Not to mention he's a pretty big guy. This needs some